That's that expensive stuff, right?
This is pine.
Let's just do pine.
Cut a square foot.
So you need a pencil there.
I know your mom won't let me have any village. Okay. Here we go. So this is just a simple way to find the center. Hey. This is some cool glass. I've never seen glass. This is all hand colored.
So we gotta go this way, right? Is it 8th? Gotta get the slivers out. Right?
Damn right.
Damn slivers.
Of course.
Very nice. That's okay too.
I'll show you my box.
Yeah, show it. Let's show me the box again. I want to put it on this.
No,
Yeah, no, put it with that.
this is a box for a lady.
I remember that shirt. It's an old shirt.
So this is just everything in here is cedar. It's all cedar and it's all local stuff here.
And this was from your yard, right?
This is all, yeah, everything's local except for the wood, which came from somewhere in Washington or Oregon or Idaho. We're not sure where it came from. So,
And this was the same wood that you bought long ago for the sauna?
yep, same stuff.
And that was like what, 20 years ago?
Something like that, yeah. But I've milled this down so it's not as thick.
So it's thinner.
So I got just a little clasp on it to hold
it
it
closed.
closed. And it's just a little box, almost like a jewelry box. That, just,
There you go.
there it is. Nothing fancy.
Beautiful though.
Plain Jane.
What are you
Smells
gonna?
like cedar.
Are you gonna stain it, or are you gonna?
That's up to her.
Oh, that's okay. You're finished. We go. This is going to go on YouTube.
YouTube, okay. What about it?
YouTube. We're going to do this thing and put it on YouTube that we just made.
We are.
Yeah.
Okay. Why?
Because that's what we're going to do for fun.
Okay.
So why do you call your shop 9 2/3?
That's why.
That's why.
That's why.
All right. Cool.
Cool.
Well, this was fun.
All right.
I liked making it. Hope you had fun too.
Well, I do. I have fun messing around with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we always have a good time.
Cool.
Yeah.
And what's it called? What's this thing called we made?
This is a medicine wheel.